Go, greet Ellen.
Say ready, then you say go. I will go.
Oh, it's ready already. Go.
Happy birthday. I love you so much.
Who?
Ellen.
Let's say her name.
Yeah, we miss you. You come back here because we're having fun. And you're not here.
We have ulam over here.
Yeah, it's there. You
Let's exchange.
you will get. Happy birthday, Ellen. We're here at Nakno.
Did you saw the guy with standing ovation over there?
The one with the black flag.
He is our Vian.
He is our
Vian.
Hey, the one wearing the red one. It's so yummy.
Yeah.
Like a shrimp. It's like a shrimp. Oh.
A tempura. Oh, how about that? You're making folks like that?
Oh, wow.
May boobs.
See, I'm so far. I can't.
You cannot.
You want me to sing?
Yes, you sing. Happy birthday song.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
No, I don't like that.
Oh, how? Oh, you sing that. I love the way you like. With feelings,
Oh
huh?
my God.
We prepared.
I'm not really Hana because I don't love the way you like. You're making me so stupid. You're making me
No.
so wrong.
Wait, it's so beautiful. I will zoom, then I will unzoom it. Oh, you're so beautiful over there. It's like a picture. Yes, later.
Oh, I'm ashamed.
Why? You did not video the the ulam.
I know, no. Because they will see.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Who?
There.
I videoed them already.
No, you're not good.
I will upload it private only.
Because you know naman that
Hey, we're not friends.
the chismosa on your Facebook.
We're not friends.
They will have talk about
Oh, and Blue will see it.
Yeah.
I will only seen by her.
Yeah, and me too.
Yeah, and Ellen. How come?
I can greet them to faces.
Oh, you say goodbye.
Bye. Bye.